In this video, we'll see how to create your book cover with MuseAuthor. Covers are generated at 2060 by 3100 pixels, ready for direct upload to Amazon KDP with no external resizing needed. Let's go to the cover generator. Here you'll find two prompt creators, one in English and one in Italian. By clicking Generate Prompt, Muse automatically builds a prompt based on your book's characteristics, the color palette you've chosen, and the selected image style. Once the prompt is generated, the Generate Covers with Muse button appears. Click it and Muse produces two covers in the correct KDP format, complete with title and subtitle. Download the images immediately before generating new ones. Each cover is a unique original. It won't be possible to recreate them identically afterwards.